Hi, this is Rhett Rasmussen with Solaire, the new fire, here to tell you about our Solaire demonstrator model, the Solaire Accent. We created this grill to have all the features and benefits, all the construction techniques and materials that we use in our larger grills that go up as high as wide as a 56-inch grill. But we wanted to put it into a smaller package that was easily transportable, easily shipped, so that it could go out to consumers to give it a go, to try out the benefits of infrared grilling by Solaire in their own backyard, under their own circumstances, their own timing, without a salesperson looking over their shoulder and breathing down their neck, using their own types of foods that you as a consumer like to eat in your own backyard. So what we've done here is it has the same mirror polished accents that we have on our big grills, has the same 18-gauge steel hood, double lined, so that you can close it down and with the heat on at the star position or lower, but will not bronze the outside of the grill. It will keep it the same color. The side panels are actually 16-gauge stainless steel to provide more stiffness. Has the full-featured bull nose that we have on our 30-inch and larger size grills. Has the V-shaped cooking grid, like we use on all of our infrared grills. This V-shaped grid helps trap a lot of the juices and control their dripping down onto the hot infrared burner surface. And also the heat vaporizes the juices back into the food as more flavor. The burner system in here is our infrared burner. The burners easily come out for cleaning, for replacement, for whatever you need. If you want to get a deep cleaning in here, just as easy as that, the burner comes out. The valve is the same valve system that we have on our large grills. It allows for very good controllability of the flame. That's one of the benefits of using gas over charcoal, is you can control the heat that you get out of the burner by the amount of gas that's going to it. With charcoal, you have to move things around to different zones and have high, medium, and low zones. Here, you just do it with your gas valve, so you get it to where you want. But you always start out on high. You do a 3-minute warm-up to get it up to the full 1,000+ degrees temperatures at the cooking grids. And then after you do your searing on one side for 2.5 to 3 minutes, the other side for 2.5 to 3 minutes, my technique is I like to turn it down to the star or lower position and then close the lid and then just finish it off, turning every 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the cut of food that you're using. If it's a thicker piece, you go a little bit longer on the sear-in times. If it's a thinner piece, you want to go a little less time. If you like the outside less charred, you go less time on high, more time on the low settings. Now, it also has the push-button electronic ignition system. Has a very positive ignition to light the gas on the first hit. Also has a removable stainless steel warming rack. With the infrared system, besides controlling the intensity of the burner, you can also move the food a further distance away, which decreases the intensity of the heat on the product. So you can have some food going here. Say you started with some vegetables, just searing them in. You can put them up onto the warming rack and leave them up there just to stay warm while you grill your meat, so that when the meat is done, you take it all off at the same time and eat at the same time with it. One of the aspects of our Solaire Accent grill is the construction techniques, the welding, grinding, and polishing that we do. We actually join two pieces of metal together, but you can't tell because of how we've done it. Right here would be a seam that where two pieces went together, but we've welded it, which has a raised portion of the weld material. Then we've ground it down flush, and then we've grained it with our polishing so that it matches the rest of the grill. In here in the hood, same thing, two pieces joined together where we've welded, ground, and polished it so that it looks very natural, that it was meant to be that way. One could even say it looks like it came from one piece of steel. It has a drip tray for capturing the juices or anything that does drip down. You don't get a whole lot of drippings off of a Solaire Infrared Grill. Has all of your instructions on here, your aftercare instructions, which is to turn it on high and burn it off for 5 minutes. That clears all of the thousands of burner ports that you have in the surface of this honeycomb ceramic infrared burner system, and keeps them clear so that the next time you go to use your grill, you'll get the full performance of the infrared burner. And the Solaire Accent, just like all of our Solaire infrared grills, is made in our facility in Whittier, California, USA, which allows us to control our quality, to keep an eye on the production, to make sure that we are putting out the best product available. For you, it also ensures that we have spare parts available to you. And when you call somebody, you're speaking with somebody right here. In fact, you might talk with me. I often take quality control calls and consumer technical calls, and it's part of our family heritage of our 104-year-old family business. So this is the Solaire Accent grill. Besides being a demonstrator model, it is a tabletop portable, and actually the sides come off and can be built into a barbecuing island in your own backyard. So it's not only just to demonstrate, it's also for use in your backyard. If you already have a grill, you can build this into an island next to it, set it next door, and get the benefits of infrared. A lot of versatility in this grill that goes beyond the infrared burner system. This is Rhett Rasmussen with Solaire Infrared Grills, the new fire.